to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Balubabise and I do makeup tutorial, lifestyle, blogging and everything. So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial because tomorrow is my birthday and I just felt that I should do the whole process, like the whole glam process, and share it with you guys. So please watch, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye. Bye. Alright, so I'm going to be moisturizing my skin with basically my face with this Cetaphil. So I saw a video on YouTube recently of Scott Barnes. Yes, that's Jennifer Lopez, makeup artist. It's a celebrity makeup artist anyways. And then he did this makeup on Tati, and I felt like it was a lot of product, but I felt like I'm just going to incorporate a bit of his technique into my makeup today. So let's see how it goes. You know, he went straight into contouring and highlighting the face first before the foundation. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm using my Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige on this. I did this. A brush. So this is the closest I have to what he used. So he started to blend. Okay, so the next thing he did was he used a darker shade, Z Beauty. Where's the dark shade? I'm going to try as much as possible not to make it too much. So, I think marry the concealer, your contour and your highlight together. This is scary, very scary. So I'm going to use this Maybelline foundation. I'm just going to get. So you're just going to sweep it all across. So I think this is just to tone down your, your contour and highlights that you've done. I like it. Like my face is looking contoured and highlighted. Like see, and then the dark part. It's not that bad. So in his initial video he did some contouring, contoured the chin, but I'm interested. Contour my cheek again. Sweep it out. Sweep it, sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. Yep. I'll do that here too. Sorry, I have my boyfriend. Do that here too. Not that bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. Okay, so the next thing he did that I want to do is put another. I want to kind of like highlight my under my eyes again because there's something people are doing now that opens their eyes up. I'm going to use my beauty blender. So this is looking very snatched. Translucent powder. Doesn't have to be a setting powder, just a regular translucent powder. So I'm using black opal. I'ma bite your feelings out. I love it. I love it. Alright. Okay, so I think we got it. Alright, so next is, since my face is baking already, next is my brows. I intend to do a 1960 kind of makeup, so the brows are not all that, you know, highlighted and you get. So I'm just going to darken it a bit, but not too much. Alright. Just going to use my foundation again and just blend it out. Sweep, 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 sweep over it. Sweep, sweep, sweep over it. See that? Just very tiny primer because we're not doing so much of. We're not doing so much. Oh shit, they took the light. Nigeria will disgrace you. Or through. Come along, shade. Just to warm up my face a bit. She's so beautiful. I know. Just a dark under my, just to darken it up a bit. When I see your face, see this? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. You know, your blush should stay in the middle of your eye, so just. Alright, this okay, so I'm going to wait for it to dry, then I'll use my highlighter, then my lip. They usually wear red and I'm very scared of wearing red because my lips are so big that it scares me. So let's try the red first. I feel like I need to moisturize my lip a bit. Just moisturize. So and this red. This is going to be fun. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay. You should not forget that we are doing a 1960 makeup, and red was a thing for them. So I like it. Okay, we're going to try to clean it up a bit because we don't want to be everywhere. So let me just, I'm cleaning up with my foundation. I'm that kind of person. Like, I use the same brush for almost everything. So I noticed that Scott Barnes was basically used a lot of powders that had, you know, bronzer in them. So I'm just going to be generous with this. Take my hope. Then he used some here, but I'm just going to use a little because you like this. Whew. How did I do this? This is perfect, and I think I did it under 30 minutes. This is what I am going to use for my mini photo shoot, and I really like it. I like the fact that there's no eyeliner, but it looks really nice. Alright guys, so let me dress up and see you soon. Alright guys, so this is my finished look, and I hope you guys like it. So electricity went off because Nigeria can disgrace you, but that's fine. Anyways, I'm happy to make this tutorial / makeup look, and wish me happy birthday. Thank you for watching. Bye. Caught up in my